You're welcome. Today I'm talking about how love heals people. Now, of course, you heard about love a million of times, but knowing about the love and listening about the love and reading about the love doesn't help. The only things that help when you put love energy into application, into actualization. People think that love is a sentiment, is an emotion, is a feeling. But really, according to the esoteric teaching, love is an energy, is a substance. And in future we are told that big institutions are going to be built to investigate and research love energy. Scientists, philosophers, psychologists, psychiatrists are going to be gathered there in that big institution with their electromagnetic instruments, devices, this or that. They are going to measure what the love is, how the love came into being, especially what the love did throughout history. See, we don't have any research like that. We know the history of humanity, let's say 30–40%, but we don't know yet what the love does or did throughout history of human beings. Physical love, emotional love, mental love, spiritual love, individual love, group love, national love, and international love. See, the love must be observed in all its activities. Even the love must be observed in the cellular, in the atomic level. What, for example, the energy of love does to the atoms. Some scientists found out that if they are angry, if they are negative, certain very subtle devices, electromagnetic devices, do not function rightly. And they found out that the function of these very subtle and sensitive devices depend on their moods, on their feelings, on their thoughts, in their attitudes. So there is some energy within us, around us, that affects the matter, atom, cell, organs, your body, your emotions, your mind. For example, if you are among people that love you, you bloom. This is very beautifully explained in many places, you see. For example, in the family, when your family loves you, when you love your children, those children bloom. Their inner potentials comes out, and they bloom, they flourish. And if you see families that divided, destroyed, hatefulness and crime and these things are plenty, you see that the children bringing out their negative parts. Most of the criminals and problems of the world are those children that came from broken, hateful, criminal houses. Love is lacking. So love is a very, very important topic, important energy, which must be investigated. As we investigated the atom and built the atomic bomb, we must investigate the power, the energy of the love and harness it, work with it, and see if scientifically we can use it to heal the ills of humanity. You can see, for example, all over the world what's happening. It's lack of love. Hunger is lack of love. Wars are lack of love. Revolution, lack of love. Distractions are lack of love. misunderstanding and various kinds of hateful actions, the results are because of lack of love.